or let's see, it's 11:49. So good afternoon, mid-morning, whatever it is. Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm trying to hold my phone free-handed, and wouldn't you know it, I didn't turn it off. Oh God, I do that all the time. But hey, it's Patty Dooley here with Tupperware, and today I'm just going to give you a quick overview of modular mates. What would you do with modular mates in your kitchen? What does your kitchen pantry or cabinets look like? Is there just pieces of bags somewhere? Are there half-empty boxes? It's like you don't know how much pasta you got in there. Well, how many bags of these little black-eyed peas do I have? Modular mates could be your answer. So these are like super easy to use, see-through so you can see them, and everything right there at your fingertips. So I'm going to turn this around and we're going to talk just a few minutes about some modular mates that's on sale. So let me get this turned around. Let's go, phone. There we go. Now guys, you're seeing different sets here, modular mates. This is the super, which I call them super rectangles, but they are the rectangles. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are great for like flour, sugar, crackers. Even the number 2, this one right here, holds a lot of photos. I have one in the bathroom that I keep all my makeup in, so I use them all over the place. I use the number floor. I use the number 4 down here for flour, because I buy 2 bags of flour, and that pretty much lasts me, I don't know, months. Sugar, not so much. I only buy sugar maybe twice a year. So I use a round container for that, or a pour container. But we have the rectangle set. This whole complete set right here is 50% off, and it's $50. Now you can buy these individually, or you can use the whole set. You can use it for a snack center. You can keep cookies in it. You can keep all sorts of stuff in here. It's just unreal of what we have. And then we're going to go over here to the Super Oval. I use a lot of Super Oval. This one right here, the number 5, I use for my pasta. I use for lasagna. I use for cereals. I use for tons of things in there. I use a lot of the number 1s and 2s for like beans and rice and different things in my cabinet. So the whole set for that, like I said, is 50% off, is $45. And you have your choice in black or like a navy blue seal for these. So that's the Super Oval. These will fit from the front to the back of your cabinet. So it's like filling your whole cabinet up and not wasting any space in there if you need that much space to do things with. And then we have just the regular ovals. The regular ovals are 50% off. And this whole little set right here is $35. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the 5s are the height of my bottom cabinets. So you can stack any way you want to put these in your cabinet to equal up to the number 5. I have a lot of the number 1s with like baking powder, baking soda, tea bags, just various things, maybe put cornstarch or something in it. I have a lot of the number 2s that I use for beans and rice in here. I use a lot of these for a lot of different things. And like I said, that set is for, let me get it right here, $35 for that set right there. That's the whole entire set. And then we have the squares. The squares match up with the ovals, just the regular ovals. They stack on there. Now, all of these will stack together any way you go. But this is the whole complete set there. So there's number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. And those will work out really great if you're one of these people who like to scoop stuff out or something, and these are for you. I use these quite often for various things. That whole set is $40 right there. So if you're looking to get a starter set, any one of these would be great. It just depends on what it is you use a lot of. Or you can get those individually if you want to. So like if you know you have a lot of tea bags or you have a lot of crackers, this will hold 6 sleeves of crackers. This rectangle right here, it will hold 6 things of crackers. Trying to think. So I'm gonna carry you over here. You're gonna see all my mess where I just washed dishes. But anyway, I hope this is bright enough. You can see right here what I have done to my cabinets with the Modular Mates. I still have to get more. Working on it. It's in progress. But see, these are those number 5 super ovals, and how they go to the front, to the back of the whole cabinet. They fill that up. I fill this up with spaghetti noodles. You can tell I'm only down to like 3 lasagna noodles that I need to get more so I can see what I have in here. Here's our tea bags right here. So we have tea bags. If you want to remember what's in it, just cut the little side of the box off and put it in there. We've got super ovals up here. Now this cabinet here, this one and that one above it, will go up to, I think it is a number 3 or 4. And so I can stack everything to that height. So my bottom cabinet is taller than the other 2 cabinets, and the very top one up there will stack number 3s real easy. So you can see how I can have so much in my cabinets. I've got beans in here, dates, some snacks. I've got, I don't know how much rice. I've got rice everywhere. We've got popcorn. We've got, this is barley for soups. That's crackers right there. I'm down to 2 sleeves, so I need to get crackers. There's some pasta in a flat number 1 rectangle. This is Jesse's rice cakes, instant potatoes. Let's see, I've got oatmeal in the large cereal store. We buy the big things of oatmeal. So this fits in here with the pour spout on it. I've got that in here. So I have to make, you know, every inch count of what I'm doing in my cabinets. Because this is the only one I have. Other than the one by the stove, and then the one right underneath this holds all my canned goods. The bottom of the potato bin, now these are from several years ago, but I use it without the top off to put little things in here. I've got Lipton onion soup mix. I've got steel cut oats in little pouches. Just odds and ends that doesn't really fit into something. I put them in here and store it in there, and then when I need it, I just pull it out. And once this bin is empty, I'm gonna kind of move over to just one, because a lot of that we really don't use. Once I get rid of the Jell-O and the pudding mixes that my mom brings me. But you can see just how the Modular Mates have helped me in my kitchen. I'm trying to keep this as sturdy as possible. But over here on my spice side, this side by the stove, I keep my spices in, I keep my oils in, I keep, like that's sugar right there, that's cream of wheat, I've got kosher salt in one, I got cocoa powder, I've got brown sugar, baking soda, baking powder, I've got regular coconut in there, and then the canisters. For whatever reason, my mom has brought me like 4 or 5 bags of powdered sugar. So I've got stuff that I'm using in here, round canisters to do coffee with. That's some of the spices and the oils. For my oils, a lot of them I like to use these here that will hold it. And you can see other oils in here in the center counterscapes. But that's how I do a lot of my kitchen. So once again, the Modular Mates are on sale all month. That's your square set, your rectangle, your super rectangle, or super oval, and oval. I'll get it straight. And this is the rectangle. So if you have questions about any of the Modular Mates, guys, so just get with me. I hope I didn't mess up this thing. I was trying to turn around there. There we go. But I will be glad to answer any questions you have. If you have a picture of your cabinet and saying, help, 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 if that's you, guys, go ahead and message me, and I'll be glad to help you. You can shoot me a picture of it. We can video chat on Facebook, all sorts of ways. I could come to your house if you're local and help you see what it is that you actually need for your modular mates. So you guys have a blessed day. I'm going to get off of here and finish cleaning up because we got storms coming. So you guys be blessed, and I will see you soon. Bye.